Children, is a this different type of concept we are having here. Different
Sir,
concept.
I went through the recording. So you told you'll discuss one question. That tough.
But the
Yes,
questions
sir.
you sent already, Nihar.
What, sir?
What you're saying, asking questions you want.
No, sir. Like last class, I was going through the recording, sir. You told that we have to do one question on our own, and I didn't get it, sir. So could you discuss it?
No,
So
simply I
when
told that we are not doing much NCRT now, right? So I told children to do 7.2 and 7.3.
No,
and
sir.
you
It was
have
not. Sir, it was not NCRT. It was some extra questions, sir.
extra questions. 1 minute.
Sir, and there is a problem, sir.
What, Sai Charan?
Sir, when I am seeing the recording, sir, and just when you start screen sharing, sir, some green color is coming, sir. I am not able to see that.
All green color only, or starting is what coming into green color only.
No, sir, it's starting when I check the whole the recording, sir, till the ending. When you stop screen share, sir, then only it's stopping, sir, the green color, and I'm not able to see.
Acha, recent one.
Yes, sir. In the recording, sir, not.
Okay. I don't know that. I didn't knew. Okay, anyway, Nihar, actually see few extra questions we have did this one only, right?
Yes, sir.
You might be knowing this type of questions. You have seen no this in recordings, right?
Sir, could you go above? Once?
Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, here.
Yes, sir. This question. So this one.
Yeah, you have done this or not?
No, sir. I have a doubt in this.
Same question we're having doubt.
Yes, sir. I didn't understand.
And long back you have sent one more thing. Long back you have sent so many questions. No, you told you just.
Yes, sir. I'll just re-upload it. I forgot it, sir.
Acha. This questions you tried at home. Sai Charan, you tried this question. Nihar, you have tried or not?
Me,
Sir,
sir.
I tried to do it, but then I couldn't do it, sir.
Acha. Sai Charan, you?
Sir, which question, sir? This one, sir, in peak and triangle PQR. Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. You tried.
Okay, sir.
You not tried, no, that day.
No, sir. We discussed, sir, but I did not practice.
Okay. Once again, you practice. Nihar, you wait for one more day, huh? Let them practice. You also practice.
Okay, sir.
So today in the triangle chapter only, if you see the last exercise, the exercise is this one, 7.4. This is a bit different concept is there. In this concept, what is there? I'm just trying to tell you. If means greater angle, if you see greater angle, opposite angle of greater side. Concept is opposite angle to greater side is more. Okay. And opposite angle to a smaller side is what? Less. Okay. Suppose I'm telling you this is a triangle. If this is 4, this is 3, 4, 5. Suppose this angle is x. So this will be more than this. This will be more than this. Understood? Because 3 ke samne wala, in front of 3 will be lesser, least actually. And this 3x will be the most. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept of the last exercise, children. Opposite angle to the greater side is more, and opposite side to the smaller side is less. Okay. So this question is, show that in right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. This hypotenuse BC is there, no? That is the longest side. So here, you know, children, right? in triangle ABC, angle sum property, this is, you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Angle A is 90 degree, and sum of angle B and C, sum of angle B and C, if you add
Has
this
to be
both
90.
angles, so it means that this both the angles, angle B and angle C, is lesser than angle A, correct, children?
Correct, sir.
So angle is
Sir,
the
could you,
most.
sir, could you repeat the statement? The longest side angle. I didn't
Yeah, 1
quite
minute.
get that.
See here. Opposite side to greater side. Opposite angle to the greater side. Suppose, or we can write vice versa. Vice versa also can write over here. Vice versa.
So 3x is opposite to 5, so it's the most.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I understood.
So these are the only two concepts is there in this exercise.
Okay. So are there two theorems?
No, not theorem. Simply you just remember this. That's it.
Okay, sir.
So opposite angle to the greater side is more, opposite angle to the smaller side is less. So this 90 degree is the most one. So obviously by the theorem only you'll get to that, know that this is the most part, right? This side is the longest one.
Yes, sir.
Most is the angle, side is also longest. All right, children, show that right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So in triangle ABC, angle A is the most. So longest side is BC. And you have to
So
explain.
one question.
Hmm.
So we have found the longest side because it's a right angle triangle.
Hmm.
So how would we go about trying to find the shortest side?
Shortest side depend on your the number, this one. Angles, if you know the angles, then only you get
So
to
it
the.
can't be found if we don't know the angles, right?
No, here if you don't know angle, how you can find whether this side is, by seeing you can't say anything. You can't guess
Okay,
anything.
sir. Yeah, that was my doubt.
Okay, don't guess anything. If you know properly, then it looks this side is bigger. So this side angle is bigger, but it should given in the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So concept is clear. Shriyanvi, Nihar.
Concept is clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So the next, how to mention in the answer that you try to understand here. Now, B plus C is equals to 90 degree. 1 minute, I'll close this. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 90 degree. Then A has to be 90 degree. Since A is the largest angle of the triangle, the side opposite it to it must be largest. So AB is hypotenuse, which will be the largest side of the above right angle triangle ABC. I think it's clear, children. First question is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
On
Yes,
the
sir.
camera, Nihar, Sai Charan, I can see the Sai Ritvik only, Shriyanvi. So next question is in figure 7.48. You can see the figure down. It's not given over here. Let me check the figure part. See in this figure, AB, side AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. The side AB is extended to P and AC is extended to Q. Also, a PBC is less, the angle you should write actually here. Angle PBC they have given here, given angle PBC means this angle is less than angle QCB. QCB, not this one, ulta wala they are giving. say this angle is less than, this angle is more, correct? Children, this is given in the question.
Yes, sir.
So you have to prove that AC is greater than AB. This AC is, this side is more compared to AB. This is less. You should prove this. What I'm just mentioning over here, blue color, this you should prove this, okay? So overall, what you should do is, if this angle is less, the 180 minus is less.
Can I,
Yeah, tell Shailatrick.
sir, can I try?
Yeah, try.
Sir, so the less angle, if we form a linear pair with ABC,
Hmm.
angle ABC, then because it's less, the angle formed within linear pair will be more, and
Hmm.
vice versa for the other angle, because it's more, then it'll be less.
Hmm.
So using the both the statements, AB is opposite to the less angle, I mean the more angle,
Sir, but we have to show
because
the
it's less.
Yeah. Tell.
Oh, no, nothing, sir, nothing, sir.
Because ACB is less, ACB is more. I mean,
Yes, sir.
ABC is more, so AC is more, and ACB is less, so AB is less.
Is it clear to all of you children?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah, that is only there. If angle is less over here outside, so with linear pair, the angle is more. What side it we told, that is correct only. And if that angle is correct more, then opposite side is also more. Similarly for this also, we can do that. But how to write, you can see over here how they have mentioned.
Sir, but I'm getting angle ACB is greater than angle ABC by the way I'm writing, sir.
Angle ACB will be more. How you have
Sir,
written
what
it?
I've written is that angle, so angle QCB is greater than angle PCB. So instead of QCB, I've written 180 minus angle ACB is greater than 180 minus angle ABC. And then
Till-
when I'm cancelling, I'm getting angle
Till
ACB.
what I've written, once again you tell. First what you've written, angle
QCB is greater than angle PCB.
PCB. Means
Yeah.
you're telling that PCB, where is PCB over here? PCB you can't write now.
Oh, sorry, PBC.
PBC, right?
Yes, sir, PBC.
Okay, PBC. This is correct. Next.
So 180 minus angle ACB is greater than 180 minus angle ABC.
180 minus angle ACB.
Yes, sir.
ACB is greater than
180 minus angle ABC.
minus ABC. Angle ABC.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So 180 cancel, minus cancel. So I'm getting angle ABC.
One thing you should remember, you have in this one, what I can say, in CBSE board, this chapter is not there. Inequalities. This chapter is there in this ICC board. Inequalities. Okay. The chapter name is Inequality Nihar. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, but then I'm yes, sir. Sir, so in that I cancel 180 and minus.
See, that way what I'm saying is that inequality, which concept people doesn't know. Only one concept is there in the whole chapter. You know what? If you multiply, I'll just tell you here in one line only. If you multiply or divide both sides by negative number, okay, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
Only one concept is there, children. This is class 8th also, 9th also, 10th also in ICC board.
Sir, means this exercise is from ICC board, sir.
No. This concept what Nihar is using here, no. Here in middle part equality is there, right? So this type of inequality,
Yes,
how this inequality is getting changed on that basis, I'm telling you. Actually, inequality is not required, but for that concept, only one concept to just try to understand. Multiply or tell.
Greater, it's a symbol greater or sir.
Yeah, they have given no. This side is greater, means if open the mouth is nothing but greater side.
Yes, sir.
So one thing Nihar is doing mistake. If you doesn't know this concept, know what I'm writing right now, then you'll do mistake here. See, the thing is multiply or divide both sides by negative number, then inequality sign changes.
Yes.
So inequality when sign will get changed here if you multiply or divide both side by what? Negative number. Is it clear, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
So
So,
he
so okay, in exam, how do I write it, sir?
directly you can write if you want. You can use this method if you want. You can write like this. This you can cancel here itself, not a problem. Okay. Then you write here multiply by negative sign both sides.
Sir, means this question we can do only with inequality, sir.
No. You can do by any method, not a problem. More or less that directly also a statement also you can write over here. See, I just
So
showed.
we can write into -1, right?
Yeah, -1 also you can write.
Okay, sir.
Multiply minus if you want to write in one line, that is also better. Multiply -1 both sides. Multiply -1 both sides. We'll get ACB. Angle ACB is less than angle ABC. Understood, Nihar? Proved.
Yes, sir. So the greater than symbol changes.
Yeah, this inequality sign changes, but if you multiply or divide by any negative number, okay.
So one question. So if we multiply or divide, will it just do the will it just form the opposite, like greater than is less than is greater? When will it become equal, sir? Like, is there any like part for that?
No, equal how it become? If any this is coming greater than less than, how does become equal? No chance to become
So
equal.
only it can swap based on what we do.
Yeah. In is equality normal condition only. No, what is equal to what you should change.
Sir, will it change even if we divide by -1?
Obviously, if you divide also same thing is coming here.
Okay, sir.
If you divide or multiply, your wish.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear, Sai Charan? This only a small concept was there. It's nothing is there. You are not having in CBSE. That's why I just taught you.
Okay.
And see, Sai Charan, you are saying no, we can do by inequality. Here the answer how they have did over here. This is different only. The only statement they have written over here. Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
Only statement is given over here. It is given
Sir,
that.
here also at last they did.
Sir, can you show the question?
Yeah, 1 minute. See the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. See how we have written over here. See, first concept is this much. Directly we can write like. So all the time it's hanging. So here they have written here as angle ABC and PBC. You should must write here angle. Okay. Angle ABC plus angle PBC is equal to 180 degree. So ABC is 1 minus this one. Yeah, same thing they have used over here. Same thing. They have changed the sign, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same thing they have used over here. Anyone having doubt in the second question, children?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, all right. Next question, we go for it. All of you just try. In figure 7.49, angle B is greater than, sorry, angle B is less than A. Angle B is less than angle A. M for more, L for less. Angle C is less than angle D. show that AD is less than BC. To prove AD is less than BC.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, tell Sai Charan. Sai Charan, on your camera now. Satvik, Shriyanvi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell Sai Charan.
Sir, first given, sir, angle.
Yeah, given is clear. Sai Charan, move further. This is given, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
yeah.
first OC is greater than OD, sir. Side opposite to greater angle is longer.
Okay. OC, what you are saying? O.
OC is greater than OD, sir.
Okay, very good. Because angle D is more, so this is also more, and this is less, right? Fine. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, then adding 1 and 2, sir, we get OB
Hey,
plus OC.
where is first and where is second?
Sir, sorry, yes, sir. At the given, sir means OB is greater than OA, sir.
Acha, OB is greater than OA. Fine. So this is your first, this is second, right?
Yes, sir.
Adding
Then-
first and second, right?
Yes, sir. Adding first and second is greater than OA plus OD, sir.
This only you are saying no. Is it clear? Sai Charan, same thing what you are saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, after that, I'm not getting, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
even I did this only, sir. So then we
Achha.
can
So we
just
can
say that-
visualize it like the
we can just say
largest.
that,
See,
BC
one thing you can think
greater
here.
than
See, OD. Instead of OD, AD. What you can write instead of AD, children?
Sir, OA and OD.
OA
OA
and
plus OD.
OA plus OD. See, OA
And
plus
instead of
OD.
BC, OC and OB.
So this is AD and this is less. And this part is what? BC.
Yes, sir.
And this is only proved happened now. What is you should think? Over. Is it clear, children?
Sir means BC is greater than AD, sir.
Yeah. That only you should prove. No, see in the question what they've given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing, right?
Yes.
Anyone having doubt, children, till here? This is just 2-line questions, not much. Shall you go to the next question, children?
So these types of questions can come for 1 mark, right?
1 mark, they can ask for 2 marks also.
Sir means this means from this chapter, sir, all the questions will be at least 2 to 3 marks, sir. I think.
1 mark also will come. 1 mark also will come. Not a problem. A small question they will ask. Normal, they'll ask congruent things. They'll ask.
Yes.
Which figure is congruent? Or...
Sir, mostly 2-3 markers only come from this.
Yeah. 1 also mark they can give. Not a problem. 1 mark also will be there. Okay. Is it clear? Shall I move to the 4th question? Okay. Yeah, 4th question, try to understand, children. AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest side of the quadrilateral. AB and CD. AB is the smallest. And CD is the longest. Sides of a quadrilateral ABCD show that angle A is greater than angle C. Angle A is greater than angle C. Then this is angle A is more than angle C. This one you have to prove. Okay, first part is this one. And second one is angle B. Angle B and angle D. Angle B is more compared to angle D. This is the second part. So what I'm writing this colorful, that is your to proof part is coming into picture. So how to do this, children? Try to understand how to do this. Anyone just think for 2 minutes. Tell me your answers. If angle,
Sir,
huh,
sir,
tell.
here angle A is that BAC and angle C is that M is BAC, sir, and L is BCD, sir.
Yes, exactly. Complete angle.
Sir, we can write angle ACB is less than angle BAC.
Which one angle?
ACB is less
A-
than angle BAC.
ACB, this angle is less than BAC, right?
Yes, sir.
This angle. Okay. How we can say? Who told? Means it may happen like this. This is completely low, but this part may be more than this. Who knows? Correct? No.
No, sir, I'm considering
So
in
what
that
is M?
triangle.
M is
Sir,
more. M
because
is
angle
more.
opposite to longer side,
Okay,
sir.
See what we can
I'm
do.
considering in the triangle only, like that's that's larger. No, that's because that's the longest. Oh, wait. Sir,
Sir.
sorry, angle BAC is greater. No, sir, I have written correctly.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, because angle opposite to longer side, sir.
Angle opposite to longer side.
Yes, sir, which Neha told.
Acha.
Sir, then CD is greater than AD. The same rule, sir.
CD.
Sir, your voice is not.
Now,
Yes, sir. Now.
see, now what we can do here is I'm erasing this part. See how they have given over here. Try to understand how they have written like this. This blue color part.
Sir, CD is greater than AD, sir.
CD is greater than AD.
Yes, sir. The same rule. Longest side.
CD is the longest one, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Longest.
Yes, sir, it is given in the question.
So in triangle
Got-
ABD, they are comparing ABD. So AB is the smallest one, then AD they are taking, then
AB.
BD.
The smallest one.
Yeah. Why they given C here? Let's see,
Angle
see,
CA.
one minute. Here, this is the most angle. No, they have given. This is the most one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you consider only this much part. I'm just taking.
Sir, so angle A is greater than angle C.
Yeah, 1 minute. This triangle, just see this, children. If this is the most one, so obviously this is what? This is your most side also, right? If you considering only this red part triangle, right, children?
Sir, but DC is the longest side, right, sir?
Right now, we are not considering this part. Leave off right now. Okay, for time being, you leave right now. Okay.
Yes, sir. So BD is the longest. BD is the longest.
Yeah, BD is the longest in this triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we can write over here is, can we write this one or not? Now see.
AB,
Yes, sir, we can write.
AD, greater. Yes, sir. Hypot. No, sir.
We can write now like this.
Yes, sir, because AB is the longest, or sorry, smallest, and BD we have just proved is the longest, so that is ultimate.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Again, see which consider they are considering. See, by the
Sir,
help of
angle CAD is greater than angle ACD, sir.
CAD is equals to what? Greater than.
Greater than ACD.
Okay, okay. Now this part is clear or not? What we are discussing right now.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now ADB, by the help of this, can we say ADB? It means that which part they are talking about? ADB. It means this angle. This angle is less than ABD.
That M angle, sir, half of M angle.
Yeah, this is more than this. This is more and this is less. Right. Now they are considering BCD. See, they are considering BCD now. Now see this BCD triangle, children. For
BC
B,
is the longest of the.
yeah, so BD is the longest in this.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. BD is the longest, sir. And BC plus no, sir.
Sir, wait, sir.
Sir, and the DC is the smaller than BD, sir, and DC is the smallest.
Think 1 minute,
Sir,
Sai Charan, 1 minute to think.
Sir,
These,
how-
Because
sir, in
longest side of
BCD,
the.
how is BD the small largest, sir?
see, this is the side, this one, right? In this triangle, only in the quadrilateral part we have it is given that this is the longest one, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, but with angle A, there are two lines, right? BD and CD, so we can't tell anything.
Sir, means now we need to find that BD and DC, which is the longest side, sir. Then we can easily prove that DC is smaller than.
Yes, sir, we need to find that.
Yes. Yes, Sai Charan, tell me now what you are saying.
Yes, sir. That only, sir. That we need to find BC is the longest side or BD, sir. Then we can tell that BC is shorter than DC or BD.
How we can prove that BD is longest, right? Compared to all this thing, right? The longest part.
Yes, sir. BD or DC.
DC, yeah, DC will not. DC will be, this is like, DC or BD, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to do this one? Anyone can tell me? This BD is greater or this one is greater? Most.
Sir, DC is greater.
Yes, sir. I also think DC, sir.
So the
Because
reason being that if we count BCD as a right angle triangle, then
sir, because
See,
the-
see, once you try to listen, children, 1 minute. See, come, I'm just erasing all the things right now.
sir,
Not a 1 minute, Sai Charan, 1 minute. I'm erasing this one, this one. This one I'll not erase. I'll erase this much. This much I'll erase. This much I erase. Okay. See, according to sides part, this is the longest side and this is the smallest side. Correct, children? This is clear to you?
yes, sir.
If you compare to the angles, so angle A is more than angle C.
Yes, sir.
And angle B is more than angle D. If you see this, only this
Sir,
triangle.
sir, you have to prove that, right?
Yeah, we have to prove, right? Show, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
show this one. Angle M is most than this one. Angle A is more than angle C.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, DC is the greatest side, sir, because he told that in the quadrilateral, sir.
Yeah, correct.
DC is the
That is the
side.
longest side. Yes. If this is the longest side, the which
then,
angle?
sir,
Which angle is this angle is the most?
BD is the shortest side of. No, sir, not the shortest, sir.
Simply we're spending time a lot on this. Simply
sir,
we're
is
wasting
it
time.
because it's a diagonal that BD is longer?
No diagonal and all. Like you can see like this also. See, if DC is the longest, this angle is long, this most, right? Can you see this?
Yes, sir. I can see it.
If DC is longest, in this triangle I'm just considering, this angle is the most. You can see this, children.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if you see this triangle over, no, if you see this is also most will come. If you other triangle also, you can see this is the most will come. So what you do, this is just bit complicated question. Okay, once you try at home,
Okay, sir.
once you think, because if I tell also, no, it will take again a long time. Okay, children, the 2 questions is there for you to revise. Which questions? First one, extra question, this one. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take this one question first. Take the screenshot, children.
Yes, sir.
Nihar.
Yes, sir.
As second one is this one. All right.
All right, sir. So what will we have for the test tomorrow?
Tomorrow, which chapter you want test? Triangles only one test, children. Triangles is okay for you.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Yes,
triangle.
sir.
Sir, so
Sir,
only
lines and
triangles or
angles.
any second chapter, sir?
Only triangles we keep tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Only
Yes, sir.
triangles.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
which chapter, sir? Lines and angles, sir.
Or can we keep this one triangles and number system?
Sir, can we keep linear equations and triangles?
How
Sir,
many are?
tomorrow
Sir,
we'll see.
only one chapter, sir. Triangles
The
is the
triangles
big
will you keep, sir? Only one is okay.
Okay, so that
Okay,
is also
fine,
fine.
fine, fine. So shall we give a small quiz? Shall we play on triangles only right now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because today I'm also not feeling well that much. Due to see weather, no.
Yes, sir. It is changing rapidly.
This one triangles for class 9th. Why you joined late, Sahil, today?
So network issues.
Achha. Tenth is coming over here. University level. For class 9th, I put over here. Triangles for class 9th. Yeah, children, I post to the in the classroom. We just look into it.
Okay, sir.
I think today only 6 people are there. I think no. 3 to
Yes, sir.
5 children. One more who is left out? Shriyanvi? Shriyanvi,
Yes, sir. Hello,
are you,
sir.
you are playing today?
What, sir?
Sir,
You're
1 minute. Don't start, sir. I again disconnect.
You are joining Shriyanvi this game quiz?
Yes, sir. I'm trying still.
Okay.
Sir, everybody came.
Ooh, which everybody came. 1 minute. Yeah, started. Calculation will be more children. If you want to do calculation, you can do.
So the only questions I got wrong were those questions where they gave the angles. How do we find those line segments, sir?
Hmm.
How do we find the line segments if they gave the angles?
It's very easy. If you take the screenshot, I'll solve it here. Children, if you're having doubt, you can ask questions. Take the
Yes,
screenshot.
only those types of questions I got wrong. Like they gave the angles and we have to find the measure of the line segment.
You have not taken the screenshot, right?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Hmm? You have done.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. Should do mind calculation actually, children. No, so much mind calculation is there, right?
Yes,
What,
sir.
sir?
Hmm?
Sir, could you repeat once?
Mind calculation is more, I'm saying.
Yes, sir. Sir, you need time for this, sir.
Yeah.
Like if you get time, then you can do this easily.
You on notebook you can solve easily. In mind, somewhere it could go
Yes,
mistake
sir,
like that.
yes,
You are using notebook.
sir. No, sir, barely.
Orally, if you do, then only you can improve. Sai Charan, you left or what? You had stopped doing only.
He left, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave. Again, we should meet when?
Sir, Monday.
Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
You post your Nihar all the questions. Monday, which chapter you want to start next?
Sir, statistics.
I'll check once. Studies is easy chapter. Nothing is there in that. Anyway, we can start that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.